Hi guys, we're gonna unbox today slime and my sketchbook. Yeah, sketchbook. I bought a new one because mine is so ugly. Yeah, let's open hers first. Yeah, so to open this, I think I have to pull this, I guess. Let me see. Guys, I didn't know. Like a makeup video. I am.
If I'm not mistaken.
Why are you making that face, little girl? You too. Why are you? Okay, I think I can. Wait, let me try. Looks like I can open it, even though. Oh, we got peach. Yeah, it's peach. I thought it was grape for a split second, but it was actually. But they changed it. Why? So I didn't like the purple one. I was finding strawberry. I thought this was strawberry. You got peach. Yeah. Oh yeah, so this is where you open it. I got confused for a split second. Oh my gosh. Did you want some sugar, Anna? Did you want some? Guys, what is your favorite in Inside Out 2? Comment down below. Yeah, I'm wearing right now fear. And she's wearing disgust. Don't touch me, you're gross. Yeah.
So, I think this John Patrick Samson is picture lang naman to. Pero,
okay, it looks like it doesn't want to. Oh, finally!
Comment down below who's your favorite in Inside Out 2. I think my favorite is Sadness.
I love Sadness. Yep. Kinda like Envy. We got it! We got peach! Let's open it. Yeah, let's open it.
Oh,
let's see
how
this.
Oh my god.
It's so stretchy already!
Yeah, it's so stretchy.
Take it off.
Yeah, take it off. And screwed. Unboxing. Unboxing beds. Mids.
Nako-confuse tayo, no? Anong Lucky South 99 are we talking about? Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Kumain na kayo?
Yep, we already.
So, Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Ano yan?
Nandun sila
Slime.
Paterna,
Baka sobrang yan siya.
Julia, Lizana, at sila Edgar Chan. Sila ang Lucky South 99. Ayan sila.
We ate nachos.
On papers, researcher,
I'm back. We're back, guys. And I also got the same thing. Mine is strawberry. Mine is peach. As you guys can see, the colors are not the same.
Yeah, even this is look like orange. And it,
Because it's like peach.
yeah, look like peach.
For a second, you can actually smell it.
Ate, can you get the remote? Let's
Smell like
Can I
peach.
show yours?
Yeah, that's mine. You want to?
Oh my gosh, hers is so stretchy.
And yours is not.
Mine is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Yes, no, it's not. It's not, guys. Comment down below if it's stretchy for Anika.
That's just so
Anika, give me mine back. So get yours. Get your own. Guys, comment down below if you like. Yeah, if you
My
like
turn to
Inside
unbox.
Out 2.
My turn to unbox.
Yeah, Discuss is going to unbox. Discuss.
Let me see if I can open
Ano
it.
binili mo?
Unboxing.
Yan?
Yes.
Ito yung sa akin.
Unboxing.
Ayan.
Ah! It's your boxing. Look at this. This was so good. Like,
Okay, I got
so,
mine.
Mine is so
Mine is so cute. Mine is cute. Look at it.
Yeah, it's so cute.
And it has a mini map on the back.
Yeah, a mini back.
A mini map.
Yeah, a mini map. I don't know why.
Oh, it's a sketchbook for
Sketchbook. Called sketchbook for no reason.
you can draw. I bought this because mine was a bit. So I bought this so I can sketch.
So sketch for what?
Sketching paper dolls. Sketching. Oh, I know what to do.
You should draw my brother.
Can you wait? Can you wait?
Sorry about that. Excuses.
Guys, wait for me because I need to change clothes.
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I need to stop my friend right now, so let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Guys, I can see my friend.
I will bring the camera inside. Do you see her? I will bring the camera to her.
No, YouTube won't allow that.
YouTube won't allow it. Whatever. Oh my god. Guys, comment down below. Sorry about that, guys. I should watch it. Sugar or no. I should watch that. I can turn the heat up. You better know what you got. The cherry on top. Over there. Ah! It's like a food. It's like food. So stretchy. Roll a circle like. Guys, you can see. Scoot.
Thank you for covering me.
Yeah, so
Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you subscribe.
yeah, like and subscribe.